Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Amechain. Now ticker symbol is AME. We're going to go over the information on AME and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So you can see on the screen here, this is their Twitter at Amechain Quantum. You can see they are followed by Mexc Global. And that's because the AME coin is listed on Mexc. So if you're looking to buy the Amechain coin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, all you would have to do, well, first of all, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AME, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So Amechain is the name of the coin and AME is the ticker symbol. And as you can see on their Twitter there, they have a link to their webpage, amechain.io, and they also have a full link tree you can click on. On the link tree, they have their webpage, document section. You can build a project on the chain. They have Quantum Mainnet. They have NFTs, Block Explorer, so much information on here. Now, their webpage, obviously, in white paper is where you're going to find lots of info. Now, their Block Explorer is called AME Scan. You can find that at amescan.io. That has block time, so it says average block time 5 seconds. Total transactions 10,374. Over 9.7 million total blocks and over 2,280 wallet addresses. So tons of info you could find on their Block Explorer here if you want to check that out on their link tree. And they have on their webpage, you can go into an intro, information, like there's so much developer information, tools, enterprises, ecosystem, I mean, you name it, it's all on here. So Amechain is the world's first and only quantum secure decentralized digital asset ledger that is EVM compatible with high performance and scalability. So why would you choose the Amechain? Well, it's a future-ready quantum blockchain. Building resilience against future threats is the key to ensure that vital parts of the blockchain and cryptocurrency economy keep thriving. The issue is that investments from protection from medium to long-term risks are somewhat natural to overlook or dismiss, given more pressing present issues, and the costs may not seem immediately justified. It often takes some bad incidences to incentivize the necessary proactive steps. So it's EVM compatible, deploys smart contracts and create decentralized applications. It's got high transactions per second, higher than Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Proof of authority and QBFT. You can mint NFTs and create a metaverse. It's got cross-chain transfers. Block time is 5 seconds, and it has governance, aka voting rights, kind of like a decentralized autonomous organization. So how does the Amechain work? Well, it uses proof of authority, POA, as the consensus method that gives a small and designated number of blockchain actors the power to validate transactions or interactions within the network, and to update its more or less distributed registry. According to the chosen scheme, one or more validating machines are responsible for generating each new block of transactions that will be included in the blockchain. The new block can be accepted directly without verification or by unanimous vote of the block generators, or simply by a majority, depending on the configuration chosen for the blockchain. So Amechain is a POA consensus method. On top of that, they're creating a blockchain ecosystem along the whole blockchain technology stack. We are building the infrastructure for a more connected and efficient future where people will be able to take advantage of the technical breakthroughs to improve the quality of their lives. And we are humbled and proud to be part of the digital revolution that will eventually permeate all aspects of our lives, from payments and future fully digital economy to digital identity, medical records, to create a global scale internet of digital. So Amechain is the world's first and only quantum secure decentralized digital asset ledger that the Ethereum virtual machine compatible with high performance and scalability. Now, they have two different Telegrams you can check out. I'm assuming one's a chat and one's announcements. They have a Twitter, Medium articles, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel, and LinkedIn. Now, at the bottom of their page, they do have tokenomics, roadmap. You can stake the token. They have nodeless, validator nodes, non-validator nodes, EVM documentation, GitHub, quantum mainnet, quantum testnet, wallet, the AME wallet, white paper, frequently asked questions, contact information. Now, it says total supply is 1 billion coins. Circulating supply is 500 million. Now, 12.5% of the coins go to marketing and community. 5% go to exchange listings, 7.5% legal and operations, 14.1% staking rewards, 13.6% founders and team, 8.5% development, 20% community grants, and 18.8% partnerships and reserves. Now, they go over the locking investing schedule. And so you could store it in your AME wallet, and it says staking is effortless in this wallet. Now, their roadmap here, it starts with advertisement, central exchange listing, staking portal, scaling ecosystem, strategic partnerships, DAO platform, developer grants for Dapps, tier 1 exchange listings, nodes, validator auctions, Oracle mainnet framework, VPN UI framework, blockchain integration to Web3 Oracle, VPN beta launch. They have the Oracle mainnet launch, VPN mainnet launch, security audit of quantum, secured AME chain, integration with multi-chain bridge, all sorts of stuff on here. You can check it all out. Amechain.io. That's where you're going to find tons of links. You could read probably for a couple hours all the documentation that they have on this project. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where the Amechain coin is listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.